Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to draw a meditating crane like this. Is good, isn't it? Well, let's start to draw a picture. So now you know the first thing to do? Yes, first is template. Let's slightly mark his head, neck, wings, tail, legs, beak and eyes with a pencil. Let's now highlight the image above this marked template in clear detail. A little problem. If we don't have the picture we want, we have to erase it and fix the flaws, okay? Now it's okay. Because he is in the water, let's mark the water slightly. Put in a little bush off the side will take it a little more beautiful. Now let's draw this image carefully and clearly using black platinum. You know guys, this is a work that needs to be done with a little patience. While drawing this, I'm going to tell you a little thing. Crane waiting with one leg like this until his foot comes to him. It requires good patience. We can learn a lesson from that too, right? We should not lose our patience until our goal is achieved. It's not just for this painting, it's for everything in our lives. Isn't that right, guys? If you think this video will be useful for your friends, don't forget to share it with them. If you want to get the other video we are releasing soon, subscribe to us and click on the bell icon next to it. That's when you get other videos like this quickly. Remember to leave your comments and suggestions below. Now let's carefully erase the pencil line with an eraser. Again a small problem. It's not good to be shaken by problems, is it? Now it's okay. Okay, let's paint this image now. Let's apply orange color to his beak and legs. Let's add yellow color in between. In this way, with the help of blue, we can highlight the white color. At the same time, let's add blue for highlight the water. Now let's paint the water light blue. Alright, now let's paint the bush green. Now our work is done.
Hey, here's the meditating crane.
Goodbye today until we meet again with another video like this. Remember to leave your comments and suggestions below.